Continuing coverage tonight of the execution of a Preble County killer, which his family calls cruel and unusual punishment. The Dayton attorney for the children of Dennis McGuire today announced he's filing a federal lawsuit on their behalf. McGuire's son says he wants to end the death penalty in America.
It was horrible.
It appeared to me he was fighting for his life, but suffocating.
Dennis McGuire's children and daughter-in-law witnessed his execution, the first lethal injection by the state of Ohio to use an untried two-drug protocol. The convicted killer spent 10 minutes gasping for air before his death.
I can't think of any other way to describe it than torture.
We don't think Mr. McGuire should have been an experiment for the state of Ohio.
McGuire was put to death for the 1989 murder of Joy Stewart, who was 8 months pregnant.
And this is not a case where we are simply asking that somehow that should be forgiven.
Instead, Rion says his team will seek a federal injunction ordering the state of Ohio to stop executions and stop using the drug concoction used in McGuire's lethal injection.
McGuire's defense attorney argued against the method this week in federal court, and the judge ruled it did not constitute cruel and unusual punishment. Federal courts sanctioned the use of midazolam and hydromorphone in 2009, which allowed the state of Ohio to adopt their use to carry out the death penalty.
Following yesterday's execution, we asked for your thoughts on the death penalty. Terry writes, "I'm all for capital punishment, but 15 to 25 minutes is a little much." But Ramona says these prisoners cry out and say it's cruel and inhumane. Are you kidding me? The poor victims are the ones who died in a cruel and inhumane fashion. You can join the conversation right now by logging onto our page at facebook.com/Fox45 Dayton.